What's up, everybody? Alex here with Lord Jesus ATV Repair and Customs, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to start up a Kawasaki KX500. So pretty much your first step is going to be to make sure the gas is on. So let me see. So pretty much you got this fuel petcock right here. Towards the middle, like that, is off. On is this way. And then you can pull the choke. This bike doesn't need the choke, so pulling the choke would be the next thing. Then pretty much next step, it'll help you. You don't have to do this, but it will help if you turn the bike sideways until gas starts leaking out of the carburetor. Right there. Once the gas leaks out, you know that your carburetor has gas in it. Then what you're gonna want to do is hop on this bad boy. Gotta make sure you got like some sort of, you could do it without boots, but I don't recommend it. So I usually just give it some good priming kicks. They're not real kicks, they're just priming kicks. This just gives gas to the cylinder. Okay, so once you've given it the priming kicks, your next step is to get it to top dead center. The way you do that is you kick it over, and it's gonna get really hard for a second. At the point where it's very hard, you wanna go just a little bit past that, you feel it click, then that's top dead center. And at that point, any little push on the Kickstarter will push the piston down. So as you can see, it gets real hard, then right there, and then it's soft. So that's top dead center. So right after where it's hard, get it to there, and then give it a good hard kick. Once you have the bike started, you do not need to do any more priming kicks when you start it the next time. After that, only thing you have to do, just get it to top dead center. Right there, and then give it a hard kick. So that's the starting procedure. And just as a bonus, I'll give you guys like a little riding demo right away. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Lord Jesus Christ bless you.